Have you ever wondered what groundbreaking projects are currently taking the world by storm? From cutting-edge technologies to world-changing initiatives, some projects are not just trending, they're redefining the future. Let's dive into these standout projects that everyone is talking about. First on the list is the rapid rise of renewable energy megaprojects. Projects like the Desertec initiative are harnessing solar power from the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert to supply energy to Europe and beyond. This ambitious project showcases the potential for global cooperation in tackling climate change, leveraging one of the world's most powerful resources, the sun. Sunface #renewable energy #climate action #solar energy. Next, we have the Hyperloop, spearheaded by companies like Virgin Hyperloop and Elon Musk's The Boring Company. This high-speed transportation system aims to connect cities in minutes rather than hours, using ultra-low pressure tubes to propel pods at near supersonic speeds. Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. Globe #Hyperloop #future transportation #innovation. Then there's the world of blockchain and Web3 projects. With decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms and NFTs making waves, projects like Ethereum 2.0 are pushing the boundaries of digital currency and secure transactions. Ethereum's transition to a more sustainable proof-of-stake model is changing how we think about cryptocurrency and blockchain energy consumption. Upward trend #blockchain #Ethereum #crypto. In the realm of space technology, SpaceX continues to lead with projects like Starship, the fully reusable spacecraft designed to make interplanetary travel a reality. This project isn't just about going to Mars, it's about making space travel more accessible and economical for everyone. Milky Way #SpaceX #Starship #space travel. On the front lines of artificial intelligence, OpenAI and its GPT models are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. With advancements in language models, AI tools are helping write, design, code, and even create art, pushing boundaries in creative and professional spaces alike. Robot #AI #OpenAI #FutureTech. And let's not forget biotechnology projects like CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing, which are paving the way for breakthroughs in genetic medicine. This technology holds the promise of curing genetic disorders, combating illnesses, and extending life expectancy, all of which could reshape human health as we know it. DNA #biotech #genetics #CRISPR. Finally, urban development is being revolutionized by projects like NEOM in Saudi Arabia, a futuristic city that combines AI, robotics, and renewable energy to create a sustainable, high-tech urban environment. With smart infrastructure and a design aimed at minimizing human impact on nature, NEOM is a blueprint for future cities. City at Dusk #sustainable cities #NEOM #smart cities. The common thread among all these projects is innovation. They're pushing us toward a world where technology and sustainability coexist, redefining what's possible for humanity. What do you think? Which of these projects excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to catch our next video where we explore more of the latest trends shaping our world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for your dose of game-changing projects. Globe sparkles #TechNews #trending projects #innovation.